Hello everyone. In this video we will see the functionality of UAE accounting module of the Connect Info System in Odoo V13. So first of all we search the module by typing UAE accounting. So here you can get the module UAE accounting. To see the module info we will click here. Here you can see the brief information about this module, like which features it will include, so like some nature of supplies and the customer invoice, reverse charge mechanism, and the standard UAE reports like tax analysis, reverse charge, and VAT statement. Here in this information, it will just show the some basic configuration, like we will set the reverse charge weight in the company form, and that how you will use this module in the purchase quotation, sale quotations, and the customer invoice and the vendor bills. At the last, we will get the some PDF reports of UAE account based on the UAE accounting standard, tax analysis, reverse charge, weight return, weight 201 report. So let's first we install this module. When we install this module, it will automatically install the UAE localization and some dependent module like sales and the purchase module. So we just wait for 1 or 2 minutes to install this UAE accounting module. So now module is installed. First of all, we will enable a full accounting features for this admin user. For that, we will go into the admin user form, and we just enable this group so that this user can manage the all accounting features like journal entries and some configurations. So after apply this group, we will just refresh the page. So this user will be able to see some configuration menu and some advanced accounting menus like the journal entries and the ledgers report and some actions. So first of all, here in the taxes menu, we will see the reverse charge weight. By default, when we install this module, it will automatically create one reverse charge weight. Here you can see the name of tax is a reverse charge weight and the tax scope is a reverse charge. If you don't want to use this, then you can create your manually your own reverse charge weight. So here we just set the amount of, and here we just set the account for the journal entries. So we will set this reverse charge weight in the company form as per this flow. We will run this flow to see this module. Let's first we set the reverse charge weight in the company form. For that, we will go into the settings, into the user and companies and the companies form. Here you will get the provision to set reverse charge weight. So when you set this, it will calculate the reverse charge weight in the purchase into the vendor bills, and just save. So now we will run this flow. So first we will see the purchase nature and the reverse charge mechanism in the purchase quotation. So for that, we will first create the purchase quotation, and we will set the purchase nature and the reverse charge. Basically in the UAE, there is some purchase nature like the local purchase inside GCC, outside GCC, and the designated zone. So sometimes some vendors we are purchasing some goods from the local vendor, some from the inside GCC, some from the outside GCC, or some from designated zone. So based on this nature, we in the UAE they are showing the purchase and the sales in their reporting like weight statement and weight is 201 statement reports. So for that, first we create a vendor here. Okay, and we just set the purchase nature of this quotation will be local, means we are purchasing these goods from the local vendor. If you want to apply the reverse charge mechanism, then you have to tick on this. Then when you create the vendor bill from this purchase quotation, it will automatically get the information from this quotation and based on that it will create the separate journal entries for the reverse charge. So let's first we just create a product here. Okay, now the amount is 1000 AED and the weight will be applied 5%. So my total cost of this quotation will be 1050 AED. So let's just first we confirm this quotation. So as per this first step, we just create the quotation and the confirm. Now we are getting the provision to create the vendor bill. So in the third step, we will create the vendor bill from the purchase order and then we will validate the vendor bill. So let's we create the vendor bill. Here in a vendor bill, we can see that the information of the purchase nature and the reverse charge automatically bring from the purchase quotation. So now if you want to create the reverse charge, then you have to enter the amount of the UAE, taxable amount of UAE. So here our main price is 1000 AED and we want to calculate the reverse charge on the 900 AED. So it will create the journal entry, separate journal entries for the reverse charge based on this amount. So we just save this and we put this vendor bill. And if we go to the here in the journal items, it will show the separate entries of reverse charge. Here in journal entries, here you can see the journal entries is like this way. The payable account is credited and the tax payable account, reverse charge tax payable account is debited. And if we remove this miscellaneous filter, then here we can see the entries for the vendor bills also. It will show the vendor bill entries, and we just make a payment of this vendor bill. So now this bill is paid and we can simply lock this quotation. So as per this, now in UAE reports we will get this amount in reports like accounting reports. So for that we will go to into the here. If you can get the reverse charge report by clicking on by applying some filters. Here we will get invoices. You can apply the filter from start date and date. If you are not applying, then it will get all the information of here. Okay, and here let me just set the logo. Save. Here you can get the information of the reverse charge that on the based specific on the vendor bills. Here we will see the amount of the vendor bills and the taxable amount for the reverse charge and the reverse charge rate here. So same like that we can get also some reports like weight statement report. So we can also apply the filter date filter here in weight statement. In a weight statement, it's here you can get the information of the statement of the weight which applied on the bills. And main thing is we can get the separate information in weight 201 report. Here it will show the separate amount in a specific head. So like that, here if you have a sale purchase from the sales into the Abu Dhabi and this some countries. And here you can get the information like this report is based on the UAE standard report. So like this way. So same way the purchase we will see the sell quotation and sell the flow. In sell flow we are not applying the reverse charge mechanism. We just use the supplies nature. So for that we will create one shell quotation and same we will run the flow. Customer and here for example if we are selling these goods outside the GCC, so we will choose same product and here we will apply the amount with 1500. Same the rate will apply 5% rate and just we confirm the quotation and we will create the customer invoice and just create and view customer invoice. Same way it will automatically get the supplies nature in this customer invoice and just we simply post these entries and here we just make the payment of customer invoice. We receive the payment and this customer invoice is paid. So now main thing is we will get this amount in weight 201 reports. So for that let's we see 201 report. Here we can see supplies under the some sections and we can get we can also see the text analysis report, but we can apply some filters. Here we can see text analysis report and some weight return report. In this weight return report we can see that the outside GCC supplies section we are showing the amount and we are also showing the reverse charge amount which when we purchase this product. So here based on the standard it will show the amount. So if we have a purchase from the inside GCC or outside GCC, it will show the amount in a separate header under the separate headers like local supplies, PC supplies, that way. Thank you guys.